What to consider before taking out a loan after divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. After a divorce, you may find yourself needing a financial boost, whether it's to buy a new car, furnish a new home, consolidate debt, or cover unexpected expenses. Taking out a loan can be a helpful solution, but before you sign anything, it's important to understand how your new financial reality affects your ability to borrow, and what to consider so you don't end up in a worse position. First, take a close look at your credit report. Divorce itself doesn't damage your credit, but missed payments during the process or joint accounts that weren't closed properly can. Make sure everything is accurate and that your score is strong enough to get favorable loan terms. If your credit took a hit, you may need to consider secured loans or co-signers, or hold off until you've had a chance to rebuild. Next, evaluate your debt-to-income ratio. Lenders will look at how much debt you have compared to your income to decide whether you can afford to take on more. If you're now living on a single income or making support payments, your borrowing power may be lower than it was when you were married. Be realistic about what you can afford and avoid taking on long-term debt that stretches your monthly budget too thin. Also consider the purpose of the loan. If you're looking to consolidate credit card debt or finance a large purchase, weigh the pros and cons of personal loans, lines of credit, or even balance transfer credit cards. Each has its own terms, fees, and interest rates, so be sure to compare offers before committing. We recently worked with a client who wanted to take out a personal loan to cover moving expenses and some post-divorce bills. We helped her review her budget, understand her credit profile, and shop for the best loan option based on her current income. She secured a fair loan and kept her monthly payment within a comfortable range, which gave her peace of mind without adding more financial stress. At Divorce661, we support our clients through every part of the transition, including making smart financial decisions after the divorce is finalized. Whether it's budgeting, rebuilding credit, or planning your next move, we're here to help you move forward confidently. If you're thinking about taking out a loan post-divorce and want to make sure you're making the right financial choice, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you review your options and create a strategy that works for your new life.